Hello and welcome to another video. I hope you all well and sitting home and make sure you not copy anyone or get copied. I want to say thanks to all my subscribers in the last 2 weeks. I saw that you really like this Singularity sound package, so I decided that I want to give you today Quantum sound effects. So all you have to do, subscribe to my channel, send me email, and I get back to you. But I just want to tell you what's the content of this package. 170 design samples mixed and mastered professionally, 7 categories: whoosh, hits, drones, whooshes, boom, hits, downers, rise and more. 3 variation: dark, spicy and aggressive. 600 plus total samples, high quality WAV files, 48 kHz and 16 bit, royalty free. So this is the package that I want to give you today. Just contact me by mail, subscribe to my channel. It's only one click of a button and a notification bell, so you will get information once I upload and give free stuff, and I got a lot of free stuff to give. So I wish you all the best. I wish you all to be healthy. Please subscribe and stay creative, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.